Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 STX. Coming in this nice iconic silver coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the mobile office package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have a nice dual exhaust. You got that tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera, mud flaps on the rear, and we do have a nice gripped running board, and we do have blind spot detection. And moving to the front, we do have two tow hooks, license plate bracket, we got a block heater back there, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably, and we do have this nice black and bronze textured cloth interior, plenty of door space with bronze on the door. We also have two cup holders back here, a 12 volt with some bronze accents, two USB-Cs and 120 right there, and if you need more room you can always lift up the seats as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see the seats are manual, and we have the same black and bronze cloth interior we saw in the back there. We also have plenty of door space with bronze accents. We got your parking brake and lights just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 65.6 kilometers. We do have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel. You have your toggle for your menu, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control just right there. And taking a look at your main screen here, you do have a compass, obviously, settings, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, navigation, status, towing, off-road, gauges, trip fuel, my view, and so on and so forth. Continuing to look here, you have a fair bit of storage, with this being able to lift up for some more storage, pen holders, cup holders, storage, USB and USB-C. This does flip up for a nice little workstation as well, which is pretty nice. And you do get a fair bit of storage down there as well. Continuing to look here, we do have our drive modes, rear locking differential, four-wheel drive, trailer disconnect, as well as our climate controls, 12 volt, 120, volume, media. We got some storage up there, as well as down there. We have auto stop, auto start, backup camera, hazards, downhill, and traction, with a fair bit of storage above. And looking at our main screen here, you have your audio with Sirius XM capabilities and a Wi-Fi hotspot. You have your phone, navigation of course, and your fave app, which you can select from these, messaging, email, Wi-Fi, so on and so forth. Any apps you may have downloaded, there's that Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, your settings in general, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA24191, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.